YouTube making money like that, man?
Like,
No, I'm slick new with that shit too. I know I work on that. I ain't had no luck flipping no cars, so I can't tell you nothing like that. That car I buy shit end up costing me more money.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this ain't profitable to you, like just even getting a pause from her versus going like the AutoZone.
Oh, hell yeah, but certain shit I wouldn't buy out of here though.
Yeah, okay. Is it easy for you like to get the pause, or just for a person like, say if I was fresh out of high school trying to jump into this shit and just coming out here not really knowing what I'm doing?
Yeah, because you can tear your shit up. You can tear that shit up and then you go home, you know how to fix yours, you know.
Yeah, okay. So that's how we just try to get certain different advice for people that want to watch this shit, and before they just step out here, just hands on by themselves.
YouTube making money like that, man?
Man, we just should get.
We just try to get started. Yeah, we ain't even making no money right now. We just doing some shit for fun.
Yeah, that's something constructive to do, ain't it?
Yeah.
Man, I don't know, man. Cause I know a bunch of mechanics. I said, man, I don't want to be no mechanic because they have all these different parts laying around and shit, you know.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, cause look, you might go to AutoZone and spend what, $100, $200 for a starter. And you come out here, you might find a brand new starter or something alternate, ain't it?
Yeah.
Basically, in our experience, but you know, we just trying to give people the game. Different people say different aspects on their experience just coming out here dealing with the cars.
Yeah, cause you go to AutoZone and buy some bullshit, ain't it?
I mean, you come out here and buy some bullshit, but you gotta
It'll just be cheaper.
Different experience. Like some parts work, some parts don't.
Yeah.
But you can bring it back and get it done.
So we just
get the
try to
warranty,
give people the game, like just hand first on fucking with the pull apart shit.
Damn.
Versus going to AutoZone.
Yeah, well, that's cool.